day I was having a conversation with a couple credit customers, and they said, how do items that are on your credit report that are deleted, how do they just reappear out of nowhere back on my credit? Or just not out of nowhere, just back on my credit. And I said there's 3 reasons why they can reappear in your credit, but I'm going to give you 2 on this video. One is when a consumer has their information on their credit report disputed, whether it's a credit card company or a person, the creditor or the furnisher or the person that you owe has 30 days to respond to the credit bureaus. And if they don't respond on the 30th day, the credit bureaus, they have to remove that negative item from your credit report. Listen up to this. Now, if the creditor or the furnisher, which is the person that you owe, they respond on the 32nd day or the 33rd day or the 34th day, that item that was deleted on the 30th day will reappear on your credit report. So that's one way. The second way is called a credit-related lawsuit. So, give you an example. Your creditor sues you over, not paying the bill. And you guys agree in some type of agreement. And they have agreed to remove that negative item from your credit report. And they remove it. And the next month, or just later on, they make a mistake and they re-report it to your credit report. So they delete it and then they re-report. It's a mistake. It only happened because you were in a credit-related lawsuit, meaning you owed someone money, the furnisher or the creditor. That creditor, you guys came to an agreement that the item would be deleted, but they made a mistake and they re-reported it back to your credit report. There is a third reason, but again, I can't give you everything in this video. You got to go on over to my YouTube channel, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit, and get more information where I really get down, and give you a little bit more. All right, I'll see you on next video.